Uh, Hello, this is Aditya Pandey from IIT Tirupati, fourth year electrical engineering. So today I am going to show you how to segment a lever and also generate its 3D model. So let's start. First, we will get the data. So our data, lever data, we'll get it from here. We click on data, then choose files to add, and uh, after you click on choose files to add, go to your data. So my data is in medical imaging project dataset. So the thing is, your data should be like images and labels. So first of all, I am going to choose image 0. The extension here is NII. So I click here and I here choose volume, not segmentation or transform, your volume, and then click on OK. So yeah, you can see this is the data. Now when I scroll my mouse up, you can see the data, different slices of the data. Similarly for all these thing. Now, what are these three things? So this one is your axial view, this one is the coronal view, and this one is the sagittal view of our this image. Now let us move forward. So let us try different things here. So first we will try let's try this volumes. Yeah, and let us change the contrast. So we can change the contrast from here. You can see the contrast is getting changed. Yeah, something like this. You can also choose from here. So these are some better alternatives to choose. Okay, so this one is better, I think. This one's better. Now let us do one more thing. Let us get our labels. You can play with these values over here. So this is just the threshold for the thing, and this one was the contrast. Let us keep it here for the time being. Now let us get our labels. So to get our labels, I'll click again, choose files to add. Then I'll go to the labels, choose my label 0 because corresponding to this image also only we have to choose the label, same label. Now here, click on the drop down, select segmentation and click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can see the lever. It is in green color and it is already here. So you can see the different slices to visualize the lever properly and 2D in all the three views. So yeah, that's it. Now let us do one thing. Let us see the same thing in 3D. And now to visualize the same thing in 3D, go to segmentations. Like click here, drop down and click on segmentations. Then here, click on show 2D, show 3D button. So you will get the lever here, the segmented lever. Also here you see the yellow portion. This is the green portion, this is yellow portion. This is the tumor in our lever. So that is the pointer. So here you can see the yellow portions, these are the tumors, and this one is the liver. So now let us click on show 3D. And yeah, here we have the liver, and this yellow portion is our tumor. You can scroll up and down to zoom out or zoom in, and you can move the mouse buttons to see in whatever angle you like. So this is how we do it. Now you can try different options here. So the opacity, you can change from here. The slice outline you can change, as well as for the 3D portion. You see the visibility of the 3D portion. And you can here as well as click here to permanently remove the thing. So yeah, that's it. Also you can change the value here. So it is similar to scrolling the slide bar. What we can do further is, uh, yeah, So I think if I go on transforms, so transforms actually is needed here. Because transform, yeah, it is not needed. The data, I think, for this data, it is not needed. Then segment editor. Yeah, this is the same thing. Now we have multiple options here. So if I go on this one, so you can see the, maybe you can change the threshold from here. So once you change the threshold, uh, this all will change it according to your to the way you want to visualize it properly. So this was this thing. Further, this is the erase portion. So using this, you can erase some certain portion. I'm not going to do that. Then this is grow from seeds, margin, smoothing, all these things you can do. So this is median smoothing. You have many types of smoothing, Gaussian, joint, median. So you can try these out on the image. For my image, I think the it looks appropriate this one. So this was it. Now you can save the image by clicking on this here, the save data, and store it in the any document or in any disk place you want. So I think this was it, and we have successfully segmented our shown the segments and the liver, the tumor in the image of for our liver, not our liver, the image. Okay, so let's just stop here.